How to highlight the moving objects in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you must need to follow the following steps for that, so watch this video till the very end. So to highlight the moving objects in the Premiere Pro, firstly import the footage and create the adjustment layer. Now go to the project panel, click on the new item button and select the adjustment layer. Drag the adjustment layer to the timeline, positioning it above your video and clip and matching its duration with the part of the clip where the object is moving. Now apply a highlight effect. Select the adjustment layer, go to the lumetri color, brightness and contrast or tint. Now drag and drop the effect to the adjustment layer. In the effect controls panel, adjust the settings to create the noticeable differences like increasing the brightness, changing the color, desaturating everything that will make the object stand out. Now mask the object with the adjustment layer still selected. Go to the effect controls panel and find the effect that you have applied. You can also use the ellipse mask or pen tool to create a mask around the object you want to highlight. Now adjust the mask feather to soften the edges of the highlight. After that, you can track the object's movement. So with the mask is still selected, find the mask path option with the effect controls panel. Click on the stopwatch icon to next to the mask path to set a keyframe at the beginning. Scrub through the timeline frame by frame, adjusting the position of the mask, and also use the fine tune effect. Adjust the mask feather for that, like opacity and effect intensity. If necessary, also add the keyframes by mask path. Now you can simply render and review at last. Once you're satisfied with the result, render the sequence to view the effect, and you can simply export the video in the HD quality. So this technique is very useful for directing viewers' attention to importing elements in a scene such as person, vehicle or any other moving object, by which you can apply this effect. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.